Hello. So I don't know how to start this video, but in conclusion, in like extremely short version, because I'm planning to do like why I created this channel video as well. But before that, this will be my first video. First of all, I'm İlayda, or İlay, however you want to call me. So today, CLC just released their comeback, Helicopter, which I'll be reacting right now because I got bored and I jokingly told my brother if I should create a reaction account, like reaction channel, regardless of what I'm reacting to, which mostly will be music, but it can be other stuff as well. I have no clue, but he said go for it, and I'm like, you know what, this may be embarrassing, but I will do it. Also, I have not a single clue how to edit videos or do proper reactions, so this will be a really pilot stuff. Like, I'm so sorry, CLC, my queens. I'm sorry that I'm like disrespecting you like this, but they will be my first reaction video, which will be interesting and exciting. I will also do some other reactions real soon, I guess. I don't know how... Thanks, Seagull. I don't know how consistent I'll be. But there are some like recent releases that I'm planning to react, and there are some old releases that I have not checked out yet, or like I've checked out but not the MV, which is a whole new level, like whole new world, whole another world. Like I listened to the songs, but I haven't seen the MVs, which I'm always like open to. I love MVs. They're always so pleasing because you can also see the choreography and everything. But yeah, anyway, I'm getting distracted. It's been 3 minutes already. CLC Helicopter. Because I'm an amateur, I haven't opened it yet on my computer, so let me just type in. Yes. Again, this will be really like raw. I'm not planning to do any sort of editing apart from putting the video like around here, if I can manage to. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Also, kudos to them, like paksu, claps, all the congratulations to them, because they already have 3 million views in 7 hours, which is impressive. Aw, that's cute. Yes. I've only seen Sungyeon's stepping, and that's it. My queen. This is an epic music. really epic. I like it. Yes. She's stunning. Hi, Sorn. Hello. She's also stunning. I don't know what to call her. Like, I feel like stunning isn't enough for these two. Also, she rocks the short hair. I'm always a big fan of shorter hair rather than longer hair. Also beautiful sets. Also, I've seen the screen cap of this, which is beautiful. I love the new part. It's beautiful. Oh, went off at the back. Nice. Yes. It never ends. Yes, beautiful. Now we don't need more ads. It was beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I think their last song was Me. Yes, it was Me. And I really like Me. And I just love the confidence of CLC. I think I've known them since Black Dress, which is also a bop. And I'm not gonna lie, I fell in love with the song after seeing Sangyeon's, like, that part. And yeah, so I kept following them, but I don't think I've ever dived into their B-sides properly. I've always kept seeing their titles, and No was also a favorite of mine for a while. By the way, I don't really know the members really well. I think I only know 3 members: Sangyeon, Yen, and Sorn. Also, pronunciation. I know I may sound wrong because, let's be clear, I'm not Korean. Like, hello, I'm not Korean. I try my best to pronounce the names right, and I try my best to absorb as many words as I can, because I'm a language geek before I'm a K-pop fan. But yeah, I really like the song. I love the bad bitch vibes. They always go for. It's not too like, the bad bitchness is not too extreme, but it's also out there, and I love that. I love that for them. I love that in multiple ways. Like it's beautiful. Their like level of bad bitchness, like the confidence, is what I strive to have, which I'll never have. But anyway, I love it. I like it, and I need to listen to it more to like. Obviously, I need to listen to it more, but I need to listen to it more to have the entire song in my brain, like fully as a bigger picture, and not like some parts and bits. But so far, from what I absorbed, I like it. It was nice. So also, I'm really glad that they finally came back with a song, even though, was it a single? I think it was a single. Lyrics. And was it a single? I don't think it was. I don't remember, because I remember seeing yeah, I remember seeing some lyrics that I haven't seen in the subtitles. So I suppose, but I'm not sure. Anyway. So if you watched this reaction, thank you so much, because I'm genuinely not expecting anyone to watch these. I only want to see my reactions, actually. In like, the main reason why I'm doing this is because I normally don't react a lot. Like, most of my reactions are in my head, but I really want to see how I react on camera. Not that I'm acting or anything, I just want to see the facial expression changes. So anyway, yeah, if you watched until here, thank you so much, and welcome to my channel, I guess, which I randomly decided to create. Yeah. I don't know what to tell. I'm not gonna say like subscribe to my channel and like my video, my reaction. I mean, if you want, you can always, but I don't think I would mind or wouldn't mind. If you want to follow me, if you want to subscribe to my channel, you're fully welcome. But if not, I hope our paths will cross once again in another reaction video. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching. I keep looking at myself and not the camera, so thank you for watching. I hope our paths will cross once again in another reaction video. Until then, take care. Thank you. Bye.